This video will show you how to create a new OpenNow course and embed it into your D2L Brightspace course shell. Within your course shell, you will want to select Course Administration. You will then want to go over to Course Builder. The first thing you'll want to do is have a module where you will put your link to your OpenNow course. Go over to the book icon and drag it over. Then give a name to that module, which I typically would call it OpenNow Course Materials. And then hit Create. You now have a module where we can put our link for an OpenNow course. You now need to add your content. Go over to the Add Content and scroll down and find the Cengage Learning app. Drag that over to the module you created. And once you do that, you will select a content source. The easiest thing to do is to search just by putting the name in, OpenNow, and you'll find it. Once it pops up, click on it. You will now have three options. Today, we're going to focus on create a new OpenNow course. If you're interested in doing one of the other two, copying an existing OpenNow course, you may have made one already in your Cengage account and you want to use that, or if you'd like to copy a colleague's OpenNow course, please contact me or John directly and we will help you with that. But for now, we're just going to create a new OpenNow course. Click Create New Course, and then put your start dates in and your end dates. And then you can put in your course days and section if you'd like to. You don't have to. And then just put in the Eastern time. And hit Continue. Now we'll hit Continue again. The next thing to do is go into Content so you can make sure that your link works. Once you're in the content, you'll see I now have a link called OpenNow Fall 2020. You click on that, and it should bring you to your OpenNow course. You now have a new OpenNow course where you can go in and edit and make the course the way you want it to be, hide things, make assignments, and so forth. So you would go in and you would go into the instructor controls and you would make some assignments. So I'm just going to go into chapter 1 and I'm going to open that up and I'm going to put a due date on the module 1 quiz. So we're going to have that due there. Okay, so I'm just making one thing in here and I'm going to publish it. Let's go back to our OpenNow course in D2L. I'm going to show you now how to make deep links. So links that will bring the student directly to the assignments. So the way you do that is go to Course Admin. Again, go to Course Builder. Now at this point, you need to decide how you would like your course to, how you want it set up. So some people like to put modules that they call Module 1, Module 2. Some of them do it by date. Some people do it by chapter. So I'm going to show you how to do it by chapter. So again, I'm going to grab this little book here so I can make a module. And I'm going to call this module Chapter 1 Materials. So now I have this module. I'm going to go back over to Add Content and drag over the Cengage app again. At this point, what will be brought up are all the different assignments that I could potentially add to the course, but also add to the gradebook. So what I'm going to do here is scroll down, and I'm going to go to Chapter 1. So I would like a direct link to the reading, to the video, or I may just want a direct link to the concept check. Notice it adds to the gradebook. I didn't want that added to the gradebook. I could uncheck it, but I want it added to the gradebook. And finally, for chapter 1, I want that quiz that I put a grade in. So now I'm going to hit confirm. Double checks with me. These are the links that are going to be added to the course. These are what's going to be added to my gradebook. Hit save. You'll be redirected back to the LMS. So now again, you want to go back into content if you want to see how that worked. And now you'll see chapter 1 materials, and there are all the direct links. So what happens if you click on the direct link here, it will bring us directly, it'll bring us directly into that assignment. Okay. So now let's go back in here and let's go into course admin again, course builder again, and let's make a chapter 2 module. So again, you're going to drag this over and we're going to call this chapter 2 materials, create, and you would do the same thing again. You'd go down to your content, drag over the Cengage Learning, and just scroll down to the chapter 2 materials that you want a direct link for. So again, I maybe want it for the reading. I'd like it for this reading, this video, and then finally the quiz at the end. And notice again, the quiz will be added to the gradebook. We hit confirm. These are the links that will be added. This item will be added to your gradebook. Hit save. It'll redirect us back. And finally, what you can do here is go into that content section just to make sure everything looks correct. And there we are. There's the chapter 1 materials. Now let's go into chapter 2 materials and make sure that everything I wanted was there. So that's how you make a course level link and then deep links to readings and materials that you want in the gradebook. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or John. The final thing that I wanted to show you here is you can go into your OpenNow course to make changes by either going through this link here, the OpenNow course material. This will bring you right into your course. And you can go in and make your changes to the course right there. So it opens it up. You will also be able to do that in your instructor, Cengage instructor site as well. What you'll find is that you'll see that there's an OpenNow Fall 2020 course that has a little link right here. That is the course that is linked into your D2L, and you can make changes in there as well. You can open up the course through there. So again, please let us know if you have any questions at all, and we're happy to help you out. Thank you so much.